Sit down and go. Hi there, and Merry Christmas, I think. I'm Judy Vitale from ReadTheStars.com, and I'm here with your weekly horoscopes at work. Well, we won't probably be doing a whole lot of actual work this week, but because of the way the planets are configured, I anticipate that Christmas Day is going to be a little bit more work than we think. Let's start, though, by saying that on Monday and Tuesday we have the good old Virgo moon that can really help us get organized and to take in all of the things that we have to do with a sense of calm. Much of this comes from Virgo's ability to give us a sense of priorities, doing what's most important first and then filling in the rest later on. The reason I made the comment that I did about Christmas Day is that there is this configuration of Uranus and Pluto up in the sky, as we know, and it's in a square, and there's like this thing going on. It's been happening since 2011, and it's still going on. So we have on Wednesday the planet Mars, which is now in Libra. You know, all those nice people in your family and in your circle of friends that never say anything too destructive. They're just kind of sweet and nice and kind and all that. They're not going to be so nice now. And it's going to be surprising to hear people who normally don't get bothered by much finally come out and tell you what they're really thinking. So this could happen on Christmas Day. Be very careful about the words that you use, and also please be careful driving, walking, climbing things. I've heard some tragic accidents. I mean, Christmas is a beautiful holiday. Yes, I celebrate it. And yes, I believe that those who want to celebrate it should be allowed to do so freely, but there is such a thing as going to extremes. So if you feel that you're just too rushed to do something, don't do it. Do it more slowly or take something else out of your schedule, please. The energies on Wednesday are so explosive that there could be several kinds of accidents. The other good thing that's happening this week is that we're having Mercury moving into Capricorn. This is going to be terrific for also, you know, the sense of priorities, the sense of practicality, all of that good stuff. And then on Thursday, for those after Christmas exchanges, we have Mercury sextile Neptune. I think that that's all going to go rather well, as will the rest of the weekend. So I will be in touch again, I promise, with more about 2014, more about the Venus retrograde, and more about you. Hey, how about a private video reading? Go to my site, readthestars.com, click on private video reading, fill out the information, send me $19.95 via PayPal, and you will get a personalized reading that's all about your life, your planets, and what's to come in your life. Again, I'm Judy Vitale. I wish you a very Merry Christmas and all of the happiness that you deserve all year long, in fact, okay? So back to the cookie baking for me. You guys have a great time, and don't forget to stop in and look at readthestars.com.